Let me take it all in. Let me just take it all in, y'all. There's a huge surprise in the garden. I told you guys last week that we were going out of town to visit my younger brother. Last year we went to visit my elder brother and my parents in Maryland. So this year we went to North Carolina, and we traveled to South Carolina to spend time at the beach, a weekend at the beach with the family, my nieces and nephews and friends. And we're back, y'all. We're back. I'm scouting around, looking at the garden to see what is going on. Seriously. Every year I travel summertime, I come back to my garden. It is different. And sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. So this year it's kind of half and half, I can say, because my tomatoes are still standing. The tomatoes are still standing. Oh my God, it's hot, but I love coming out in the garden barefoot. I don't know what I'm gonna find there, but I'm still going in my garden barefoot, which I always enjoy. I just like to connect with the earth, you know, with the sand, the soil, the greens and everything. Even though I don't like to step on boards or anything, but I love going in my garden barefoot. So like I was saying, every time I come home, the garden, there's a surprise in the garden for me. So this year, like I said, there are some plants that are gone, I can see, and some that are in dying need of water, which you will see later. But there's a lot to harvest in the garden. There is a lot to harvest. Like I said, my tomatoes are doing amazing. Some of them have diseases, but they're still producing tomatoes. And we're in July, yo. Around this time of the year, I don't have any tomatoes. They're all gone. But this year, the tomatoes that do this, they're surprising me every year. They're doing amazing. We have a lot of tomatoes to harvest. Some of my cucumbers plants are looking sad. I'm not sure if they're gonna, if I can revive them again, which I'm not really sure, but we'll try. We'll try and come out here and water. But before we do that, I have my basket that I love carrying around to harvest amazing food in the garden. So it is looking amazing. So let's get in the garden. Come with me. Let's go in the garden and see what we can harvest. Maybe we'll have 2 baskets full of produce, or we may not, but there's a lot in the garden to harvest. Come with me. Come with me here. I am gonna start here. Oh my God, there's a bird that's nesting here. Oh my God. But we have lots of tomatoes that we can harvest. It's up here. When I do this, it's gonna fly, but let me let her enjoy that area. Let me just harvest the tomatoes. That's why I'm here, just to harvest. Like I said, this year the tomatoes are doing amazing. I don't know what happened, but we're in July and we are still harvesting tomatoes. It's shocking to me. Shocking, really. Ooh. Oh my Lord. Oh, This is going to be bitter. I don't think I'll be able to eat this, but I'm gonna take this in the garage and save the seeds for next year. Imagine, look at that. Ooh. And there are many cucumbers I can harvest too. Snow white tomato, yellow, but it's called Snow White. I'm so grateful that the creatures didn't come in here to enjoy these tomatoes. They've touched that one, but in the garden, I did not see any sign in the garden, so I'm grateful for that. There's an Armenian cucumber here. It's not ready yet, so I'm gonna let it do its thing and get bigger. Bell peppers. And a lot of them in here. Look at this beauty! This is my green zebra. It's overripe, but it looks amazing. Look at this. Oh my. Oh, it smells so good. This body. So I'm just gonna try my best and harvest what I can because it's getting late. And my son can come in here and water the garden because the plants are in dire need of water. But look at this, y'all. Look. This is a zucchini plant. There's another one here. I have 3 of this. Can you believe this? This basket is already full with zucchini and Armenian cucumber. Oh, I have to come back in here to finish up this harvest, seriously. But I have to share with you. Look at this black beauty eggplant, looking amazing. Both of the baskets are almost full. Let me quickly go ahead and harvest this. Like I said, it's getting late and I'll share with you all. But look at the garden. We're in mid-July, and this is how the garden is looking like. Amazing, amazing. More eggplants. I'm hurting myself. These plants are huge. There's another type of eggplant. I don't know what the name is, but it's gorgeous. Look at that stripe of green and purple. Look at all we got so far. Just look at this, 2 baskets full of produce. I'm gonna take this indoors and come back and finish up with the harvest. And woo, dude, I'm feeling blessed. I'm full. Look at that. Thank you, Don. Thank you, Don. Thank you, Don. Thank you, Don. My goodness. Clusters upon clusters. Come look what the garden has given us. What do you think?
Big.
Hmm?
It's my district.
Really? Yeah. And then why not like giant zucchini and lots of tomatoes like this? Yeah, this is a lot. We went away for a week and we have this. Can't complain, huh? We even have fig.
Oh,
Let's fig the plant. Got a few figs, 3. Tomatoes, patty pan, eggplant. The zucchinis are huge. Butternut squash. Oh man, this is a lot. Complain. Oh, I am speechless right now. I'm trying to think of what to say, but I am super speechless. But anyways, all I can say is thank God. Thank God for this massive harvest. I can't remember us having this amazing harvest, and coming from visiting out of town, away from the garden for a week, and come back to this super amazing harvest. Oh my God. like I said, I'm losing my words, but all I can say is thank you, Lord. I am super grateful. Just happy that we came back to this, and we're taking all of this inside, and I'm gonna figure out how to preserve all of this food, really, because I don't think we can consume this in a day. But I thank God for this amazing harvest. I can't thank God enough. And I thank you all for stopping by this week to watch this amazing video that I have for you all. The garden, some of the plants are suffering, but they're doing good. They're doing good. We just water the garden. They're coming back to life. And hopefully they'll continue to produce for us. But like I said, thank you for stopping by to watch this amazing video that I have for you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to support my videos, to support my channel, and the notification bell so when I post a new video, you'll be notified. YouTube is telling me that 90% of you that are coming to my channel are not subscribing. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Saying you just helping me out to help my channel to grow. So help me to share this video with your family and friends so that they can be inspired to start a DIY, a gardening. And everything that I do in Gikzy's channel is just to inspire people to get up and do something. That's all. Hope to see you all on my next video. This is your girl Gikzy saying bye till next time. I hope you all enjoy this amazing harvest. This is amazing.